Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this video which is all about knowing your workspace in Canva. This is how your workspace looks like. I'm adding a random text here so that I can show you different types of fonts in it. This is the template section where you can find different kind of templates as per your requirements and occasions. This section is all about vector images, graphics, grids, frames, charts, which you can use in your designs. I chose two Instagram graphics from this section which I will be using in my design, like this. In this section, all your uploaded media will show up. Access some high quality photographs from this section to use in your designs. I am choosing just a random photograph to show you people how it works. I have added this photo and dragging it to fit in this template. Alternatively, you can just drag and drop the photograph in this template and it will fit in automatically. Next, we are having this section in which we are already given some pre-designed combination of fonts, and alternatively we can also choose to write the text as per our needs and group it later. It would also be a combo of some fonts as per our choice. In this section you get some pre-designed combination of fonts and color palette which you can use in your designs to create a kind of consistency and color pattern. Although most of the audios provided by Canva is for Canva Pro users, but you can also upload your audio from the upload section. You can get access to some high quality videos to use in your designs from this section. You can choose different kind of backgrounds for your designs from this part. To show you other characteristics about your workplace, I will choose a random animated post, and this is it. Just have a look at these color combinations. You can also customize your designs by choosing a particular combination of fonts and a color palette. Let's explore this animation feature, which is used to animate a whole design or its different elements or only a text. Note all the options which gets highlighted when I select a text. There is such a huge collection of fonts to choose from. Use the drop down menu and just explore all the fonts given to you. From this option, you can choose a different color for your text. You can highlight your text with this bold option. Get your elements aligned with the help of this option. You can highlight your points with the help of these bullet marks or numbers. Now I will select these two texts and from the three dots I will group these two elements. Now I can move these elements together as one element. Now we will check out the text animation feature. Highlight your headings by underlining. Choose to convert your small case letters to uppercase letters. You can also give some shadow effect, neon or glitch effect to your text from this section. Drag this bar to choose a correct spacing between your letters and lines. The line spacing feature is not working in this combination of text, so I am choosing a pre-designed combination to show you the feature. Just take a note of the letters when I increase the letter space and see how the line spacing works. There are times when we need to place a specific element behind another element or vice versa. In this situation, the positioning feature will help us. Now, I will choose this yellow hand element and put it above this white hand element. And I will click on the position and put it backwards. And see how the white hand is overlapping the yellow one. And you can choose any element and animate it as well. Now I will reposition the element again and show you this feature, with the help of which we can flip the element horizontally or vertically. To restore your previous edits, press Ctrl Z on your keyboard or click here in the Canva workspace. Check out these three options to duplicate a page, then delete a page, and finally add a page, respectively. Now I am going to show you how to copy a style, which means you can apply one element's characteristics to another element. Select the element and then click on the paint roller icon above, and then apply on other elements. Restoring the previous design to apply the same on this text. Now I will add a text and use the paint roller icon to copy this style. And now I got this style, but I don't like its font. So I would change its font and resize it. You can choose to increase the font size from here, or choose to click on the addition button besides it. If you are unable to maintain the line spacing between your text, the arrow keys in your keyboard are of great help. Click on this icon to decrease or increase the opacity of the text or any element. And with this lock icon, you can lock your design and you won't be able to edit it. And you can unlock it from here. Duplicate any element or text with the help of this icon. Now I will quickly animate my whole design and show you the final result. That's it for today. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching.